What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new addition here, and we've had a few guys here over the past couple days working while I was doing other stuff. But as you can see, the entire foundation is poured, the forms are stripped, and we're pretty much backfilled. Rodrigo is pulling out of here to get rid of all of the grass that was on the top in here. We pulled that out because when it dies, it'll create like voids underneath your slab and potentially could lead to the slab sinking. So we pulled all that out so that doesn't happen. We have a guy that we're friends with that does a lot of big excavation, and he gave us an address to go dump it. So easy way to get rid of it. We're keeping a little bit here. We're going to fill around the sides and hopefully it'll grow back. Less landscaping for the homeowner to have to deal with. We also have some more back there that if we don't eat up, we'll have to get rid of it eventually. But moving on to this addition here, you may notice there's a 4x4 on the inside of the entire thing. That is a slab shelf, so that'll get taken out. Rodrigo is going to grab gravel on his way back. But also over here, we're not backfilled because we have sewer and water somewhere right around that red circle there. So we didn't want to backfill it all in case we'll have to dig it out again. And also out here, you'll see it's not backfilled as well. We can come up like a foot or so, maybe 2 feet, but that is work for the future. So we also have all of our forms on pallets out here, which is what I'm about to do right now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pallets full of forms plus all of our extra rebar here. I might take the rebar too, but I'm definitely taking these 4 pallets. Once he gets out of the way, you'll see the other 2. Definitely taking these 4 pallets right now on the trailer with the skid steer. I'll load them with this, and then we have our forklift. I have my trailer down there. We have our forklift at the shop, so I can unload them there, and then I have to figure out a way. I think Rodrigo might take these because I don't want to put these on my trailer. Obviously all these buckets are just loose. Rodrigo might take these in that truck at the end of the day when he's done. But let me hop in this skid steer. We'll get these loaded and run to our shop and get them unloaded. right, guys, we are all loaded up, strapped down. I got 2 straps on each pallet, and I got 3 straps on the rebar. The rebar is really the only thing I'm kind of worried about because it's pretty tight. I can't even pull any of them out. But there's no easy way to strap them down. You kind of have to. I guess I could have went right here over top of one, but then I'm not getting every piece. There's no easy way to strap them down. You kind of have to go across the whole trailer here, but it is what it is. Time to hop in the truck, head to our shop, and get these unloaded. All right, now we got to get 20-foot pieces of rebar through a 12-foot door. Not exactly sure how wide this is. I think it's 12. You know what? Let's check. Do a 12-foot door. So I think I'm gonna drop it on a block and wrap something around it that I can put on the D-ring in between the forks and kind of just back up and drag it in. I think it's going to work pretty well, actually. worked out pretty well. I left the rebar up on top of these forms. We are going to need to grab a couple pieces out of here for that new addition that we just poured the foundation on. So I didn't want to put it anywhere that would be hard to reach, but all the forms are right here on pallets, ready to go for the next job. If we have extra rebar, it'll be here too. And I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.